Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Wednesday, September the 1st. The time is around 1 a.m. GMT. And today we're going to be updating the chart of silver right here, 60 minutes chart. Now we can see right here, we ended with X at 22.8. Now, by looking at this connector here or this label, we know that this rally then is still considered as a correction, right? Even though we are calling for more upside, but if this is an X, then this is still a part of a correction, all right? Meaning this is a Y, which is not really an impulse. And within the Y, in the minor degree, we have an ABC subdivision in which we ended A already here, B already finished, and now within the C we are in progress to finish the C as a 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for now, as long as we stay above this 22.8, we are looking for the upside. Eventually, now there are quite a couple of things here that could possibly happen. Now, number one is the idea that until we break above 1 in blue, of course, we can do a double correction and do a little bit more downside like this in wave 2 before turning higher. So that's one possibility there. Okay. Now again, all those are short-term variation, guys. Now people think that you can figure out the short-term move exactly correct, but usually the short-term has a couple of different possibilities, but all of them still imply the same conclusion. As long as we stay above 22.8, we are looking for more upside. So whether we go higher from here or whether we do another leg lower first to finish 2 before going up, still implies as long as we stay above 22.8, we are looking for more upside. So this is really the key pivot, 22.8, not necessarily this. This is when the beginner Elliott waver doesn't understand this concept. All right, and another possibility here will be, believe it or not, this could be an ABC completed C here, and this could be my W, right? And then you do a dub, but it really doesn't make a lot of difference. All it makes the difference is only the count changing a little bit. This is a W and this is a WXY, but still it's the same concept. And we can do another leg lower here and finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 WXY, and then you label this as a X in black. So this W in black, this is X in black, and this is an ABC, and then you go up again. So again, we got 3 different possibilities in the shorter cycle. All of them suggest the same thing. As long as we stay above 22.8, we're looking for more upside. Now zooming out, let's check out to see where we are with silver. If we zoom out in the 4-hour chart, okay, this is the 4-hour chart. Now let's put some of the labels that we see in the 1 hour on the 4-hour chart. So here we got an X right here, and that means we have a W here. So if this is a WX, then technically this is still a correction. Alright, this is still a correction. Eventually it can break below this low again, because otherwise this would have been 1, 2 if this is a new impulsive structure, right? As you can see, silver, there's still no sign at this point in time that it has already bottomed and we're gonna start a big move. No such sign yet. I don't see extension or wave 3 type of scenario either at this point. Look at this, it doesn't look like a wave 3 to me, right? So for now, okay, for now, as of today, it doesn't look like an impulse yet. Now let's take a look here. We got this W, which is the previous high, at 24.04, as you can see in the box here, 24.04, and then the latest high here is 24.21. So that, in other words, this high here is it broke above this previous peak from the lows. So you got this high structure, right? And if you simply just measure the extension from the lows on the W projected from this low, now you can see we got 100% target towards 24.5. So this is a potential target on the upside for silver, right? Now, assuming this is just a correction, we still like to see silver going into this area, 24.5, 25.6, which is the 100% extension area of these three swings up. Okay, so as a result, going back to the 1 hour chart, and this is, by the way, is a short-term view, not a long-term view or medium-term view. So back to this 1 hour chart, that suggests that this X is going to be in the key. Looking back at the 4 hour, this X is the key, and as long as we stay above here, we're looking for more upside eventually to reach at least 24.5 here. All right, and this too may or may not have ended here, but that's not really the main or the big idea. I mean, we still can do double, there's no doubt about it, before turning higher. But the main idea is, as long as we stay above 22.8, we're looking for a move higher to at least 24.5, right? Now, if this turns out to be an impulse, let's say, then yeah, we could be maybe doing like a nest 1-2-1-2, but then that takes time to develop to see how big of a reaction higher is gonna get and so on. But for now, it doesn't look like an impulse, it looks like correction so far still, and but still we are looking for more upside into this area right now. Okay, so that's the update here, guys, for today. And as always, if you do want to check our service and to check the count in silver or other precious metals, commodities, forex, indices, stocks, we do have for the interest rate trial. The link is provided in the description of the video below. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.